The Aprilia RS 660 sits at the top of the range thanks to its premium equipment and uncompromising racing spirit, designed for those who demand the best on every track. The Aprilia RS 660's sculpted design seamlessly integrates functional aerodynamics with MotoGP-inspired winglets, while its compact lines enhance agility and lightness without compromising comfort for rider and passenger. The aggressive front end, with its sharp, three-element full LED headlight, immediately makes a strong impression. The RS 660 factory is clearly in a class of its own from the moment it appears, with exclusive liveries, a two-tone seat, and gold-colored Öhlins suspension, all demonstrating its unmistakable racing character. The perfect balance of power, agility, and advanced technology is reinforced by the RS 660's success in every championship it competes in. The powerful Euro 5 Plus twin-cylinder engine, racing-inspired aerodynamics with winglets, and the advanced APRILIA electronics package all deliver exceptional performance on both the road and the racetrack. With MotoGP-inspired winglets, a 105-horsepower twin-cylinder engine, and an ultra-light weight of 403 pounds, this bike delivers incredible performance. Capable of reaching a top speed of 149 miles per hour, the 660 rupees is built to dominate every corner and offers an unrivaled riding experience. For adrenaline seekers, the popular and highly anticipated 660 rupees factory takes exclusivity to the next level with Öhlins suspension, premium components, pure racing spirit, and a true top speed of 149 miles per hour. The Aprilia RS 660 is the benchmark for a new generation of lightweight, high-performance motorcycles, a segment created to express a new vision of sportiness. This bike brings the benefits of Öhlins suspension to the road, along with aggressive graphics befitting its status as the sportiest and most refined motorcycle in its segment.